In this next segment, we will be removing the bleed channel for cleaning and cleaning the underside of the printer. To start, you'll want to slide the printer off bleed channel and remove the exit cover. The exit cover is removed by 6 screws, 3 on either side. Once the screws are removed, simply lift and move the exit covers out of the way. To remove the bleed channel, take a small screwdriver, flathead, place on the edge of the bleed channel, and pry up. Should be removed fairly easy. This can now be taken and rinsed for excess ink. Once it is clean, simply slide back into position and press down to full installation. This completes this segment of the video.